outside the Main Street Piggly Wiggly. I was with my brothers, you were with your mom. An hour later I was shagging fly balls on your front lawn. Your dad came home and said I wasn't welcome, but when I shook his hand, his frown turned to a grin. And that's how I became part of the family and your best friend. And after school about 3 o'clock, you say, come on boy, let's go for a walk. And when your mama drives to town, it's you and me in the back with the window rolled down. Sometimes on our way back home, I sneak a lick or two from your ice cream cone. Yeah, it's alright, I'm living a dog's life. I knew you had a 914 Williams, but you were just too scared and shy to make your move. I ran away and turned up on Tina's front porch so she'd call you. Now you dress up on Friday night, you say, come on boy, let's go for a ride. You and Tina drive to town, I'm alone in the back with the window rolled down. I sit and watch on our way home as the two of you share one ice cream cone. But it's alright, I'm living a dog's life. You said no pets allowed in your new dorm room, so you scratched my ears and said so long to me, till Thanksgiving, Christmas, and that week in April. I've got my dreams. And it's after school about 3 o'clock, you say, come on boy, let's go for a walk. And when your mama drives to town, it's you and me in the back with the window rolled down. And every time on our way home, I sneak a lick or two from your ice cream cone. Yeah, it's alright, I'm dreaming a dog's life.